Dear student, in the chapter IPSC nomenclature, today we will discuss naming of benzoate compound. Dear student, most of common name of benzoate compound are accepted in IPSC. Most of common name of benzoate compound are accepted in IUPSC, like benzene for this compound here, and ethyl benzene, because here this ring is known as benzene, and with this ring number of carbon 1 2 carbons are attached, open chain carbons are attached. For the two carbons you know that the name of two carbons is ethyl and the name of ring is ethyl and benzene. Yes student, here methyl group and benzene, so write the name methyl benzene. And it also known as, the common name of this compound is toluene. A toluene also accepted in IPSC. Okay. Here, dear student, here we observe 1 2 3 carbons, and this carbon is isopropyl. So we write the isopropyl and the ring for the ring benzene. Isopropyl benzene. Dear student, isopropyl benzene is commonly known as cumene. Commonly known as cumene. Okay. Dear student, here a benzene ring attached with the OH group. OH group attached with benzene ring. When OH attached with benzene ring, we say that it is phenol. It is phenol, and also known as benzenol. Benzenol or carbolic benzenol or phenol, also known as carbolic acid. Dear student, phenol is a carbolic acid. Dear student, when NH2 group attached with benzene ring, directly attached with benzene ring, then it say that benzene for the ring and amide for NH2. Here we treat NH2 as substituent and benzene ring as a main group. So benzene amide. The name of benzene amide also known as aniline. Dear student, benzene amide is also known as aniline. Means when NH2 directly attached with benzene ring, we say that aniline. Here 2CH3 methyl group attached with the nitrogen of aniline. Nitrogen of aniline. So we write here NN dimethyl. Dimethyl, because two methyl group attached with nitrogen. NN dimethyl. The name of this compound is aniline. So write here NN dimethyl aniline. Dear student, the name of this compound also written as NN dimethyl. The name of this compound benzene, and here the number group present amines group. So write the name NN dimethyl benzene amines. Okay. Here student, now discuss next example. Here student, here methoxy. Okay, here methoxy and this ring is benzene. So the name of this compound methoxy benzene. Dear student, methoxy benzene also known as anisole. Known as anisole. Here a benzene ring, a functional group COOH carboxylic group directly attached with the benzene ring. Dear student, when carboxylic group directly attached with benzene ring, we say that for benzene ring benzene, for the carboxylic group oic acid. The name benzoic acid. And dear student, you know that special suffix of COOH is carboxylic acid. So write benzene ring for benzene, benzene carboxylic acid. Okay student, benzene carboxylic acid. Now here a benzene ring connected with a open chain. In open chain, one carbons are present. Dear student, if you treat the open chain as a principal functional group, then you treated the ring as a substituent. The name of the substituted ring is phenyl. So at the first position chloro and phenyl. So write here chlorophenyl. For ring, phenyl. For Cl, chloro, chlorophenyl. And the number of carbon here 1. So write here methane. So chlorophenyl methane is the name of this compound. Okay, student. This will here two carboxylic group attached with the benzene ring. For the benzene ring, you know that the name of this ring is benzene, and at the first and second positions dicarboxylic group are present. So the name of this compound benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. The dear student, the common name of this compound is phthalic acid. Dear student, when you remove water from the benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid, as like H from here and OH from here. When you remove water, you obtained this compound. When you remove water H from here and OH from here as a H2O, then you obtain oxygen only, which are connected with the both carbonyl group. The name of a compound are formed. This new compound is known as anhydride. For the naming this compound is a simple method is that you write the name same their acid, same from where which acid it are made. The acid from which it made is benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. So at the place of acid you write anhydride. So the name of this compound benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid, similar to here benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid, benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. At the place of acid write anhydride, because this compound is formed from the dehydration of benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. Okay, student. Dear student, take a screenshot of the given content on whiteboard and write down your NCERT book. Dear student, this content are last content of IPSC nomenclature. Dear student, I think you understand all about the IPSC nomenclatures. Please read your NCERT book and solve the questions given in NCERT Part 2, Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3 and Chapter 4. If you have any query, contact me. Okay, student. Thank you very much.